This is one of those wait your turn moments, Evelyn. But it's looking pretty slick. I kind of can't wait to get in there. Now, let's see how it looks as you go in. I wish that I had a GoPro. I do not. But I'll stick this thing in my life jacket and just see if we can get any footage at all. I think it's a bit of a long shot, personally. But, yeah? Okay. I think I'm supposed to wait. Dozo. Hi, Dozo. Yes, right. Go. I think that's what that means. And if I'm wrong, we're going to have a new adventure. Well, either way, she's an adventure today. I'm guessing 8 feet. Not quite 2.5 meters, actually. So maybe a little less than 8 feet across. And into the cavern, which I think comes out the other end. So it's more of a gate than a cave. And I get to do this as a missionary. How cool is that? I wish I could stop long enough to show you just the interior of this cave, but it's a little bit tricky. So my job is to navigate right now and catch the tide up and in. How cool is this? Woohoo! Arigato! Yamanaka Gate? Yamanaka Gate. Okay. And there's Nansen coming through Yamanaka Gate. Sugoidas.